Hey, this is Gary Kayye. I'm here in the SpinetiX booth. We're going to do a booth tour. So for those of you who didn't get a chance to come to ISE 2020, you're going to kind of get a sneak peek of what it would be like if George Preston, who's the Director of North American Sales for SpinetiX, were to take you on a quick booth tour. So first off, one of the first things I noticed is you got an Intel logo back here, so you have some sort of partnership with Intel. Tell us what we're seeing in this part of the booth.
That's right, so it's really a special edition year for us. 2020 ISE, we're introducing some new talent to our corporate team. We've got business announcements, business innovations with the Intel partnership. We've got technology innovations, everything that is there to really underpin our vision for the sort of next generation of digital signage. Three core components to that. One is our special DSOS operating system. It's an OS that's designed for the needs of digital signage. More about that later. We've got the latest in our hypermedia player family, the HMP 400 4K 60Hz device. And then modular, flexible product design, which means that you can grow into features over time. You don't have to design everything up front.
Yeah, and that is the HMP 400 right there. That product has a HDMI output that's 4K, 3 USB ports that are flexible. You can use them for all sorts of different things. Antennas are there because it's capable of being connected to Wi-Fi, so you can do real-time streaming to it as well. Aria, talk about Aria over here for just a second, because I know one of the things you're pushing is the fact that Aria has become, I don't know if it's open platform or just freely available to anyone.
Open is built on open technologies.
Yep.
For over a year, about 18 months now, everyone with a SpinetiX device has had access to the free version of Aria, which is called the Discovery Plan. We've grown that very fast, so we're now building on that with two new plans. The Premium Plan, which is for end users who want a bit more power, more storage, more flexibility.
Yep.
And then there's the Enterprise Plan, which is specially designed for the reseller channel. Resellers, dealers, integrators who want to put services on top of the Aria platform. And then something very unique for the Enterprise plan is that you can take the expert design projects in Elementi, our old desktop software, and you can upload that into Aria.
All right, so over here, where you're sort of focusing on what the HMP 400 can do, you're showing different applications, I believe, of HMP 400?
Yeah, so we're well known in the industry for robust, powerful, dependable hardware, and this year at ISE we're announcing the latest in that range. The HMP 400, same characteristics that people have come to rely on for SpinetiX, so it's a complete fanless design, real 4K 60 frames per second, including the HTML5 layer, designed for 24/7 operation, real continuous enterprise set and forget design. And we're adding a few more enterprise features. So one of them is we've got enterprise grade, multiple in, multiple out Wi-Fi, dual antennas. We've got, as I said, 4K, and we're also adding power over Ethernet.
Yeah, and so what you're seeing here is a full screen display, typical digital signage where you're bringing in content from outside as an entertainment content, but surrounding the screen with widgets or whatever they're called nowadays that you can plug in other pieces of content like weather and flight information or whatever, and you're also showing it in a landscape and portrait configuration as well, all being driven by the HMP 400, right?
Correct.
Yeah, and that product is shipping now?
That product is general availability, is announced this week.
All right, and so we got two big pieces of news here, brand new signage player, and also the partnership with Intel. I think are the big two pieces of news here. Or did I miss anything from this store?
Oh, a bit more on the Intel partnership.
Yeah.
So DSOS, this operating system of ours that, as well as being secure, lean, optimized for signage, now allows this modularity on top of the platform. The key thing about DSOS is that it arrives secure and it stays secure because we have a dedicated team of people, 20 years experience in embedded design. They are just maintaining and securing the operating system. Already hundreds of thousands of devices in the field running that, but now we're opening that up to other Intel mini PC platforms from other qualified providers. So this week there'll also be an announcement about another provider. You'll be able to get DSOS with the Aria cloud on third-party hardware.
In a way, that's kind of like helping your competition, but in reality, it's going to support your platform, and your platform is really the key, and the partnership with Intel makes that platform capable of being opened up to other players. Yep.
That's it. It's about the channel that people want to buy from as well. Some people, they know a device like the NUC, for example.
Yep.
They know a device that they want. We want to be able to offer this power to everyone.
Yep, and you can check it all out at SpinetiX.com, SpinetiX.com. We're going to shoot individual product videos here to get more detail on the HMP 400, for example. Go to ravepubs.com/ISE2020, type in SpinetiX in the video search window. Thanks for watching the tour.